What's up, friends? In this video I'm going to show you how to rename a task in ClickUp. So it doesn't matter where you are and which page you are. That can be on your home, it could be in your overview, it could be activities, wherever you are. Now let me go ahead and click on list. And as you can see, I have different projects here on the left, and I'm just choosing one of them to find a task. So let's say I want to rename this specific task. I can easily do that. Now you just want to hover over the task, and you have three buttons towards the right. One is to create a subtask, one is to add tags or edit the tags, and the other one is to rename. And you can either choose to rename it like this, and it's going to give you the option to change it, or you can just click on the task and it's going to open, and you click where the name is and you can change it. So I can just say, for example, create a video, for example, click away, and that's it. So that's how you can easily go ahead and rename your task in ClickUp.